Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpinutrek Ujamang Arjar Pulai, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Bane Ïakynduh, Nadu Kapor Khatwi Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol How number 90890-97907.
Ki Superintendent of Police, Kumju ki Deputy Commissioner jangka West Jaintia Hills District, bat ke West Karbi Anglong, kila Ïakynduh banyak keren penbaik ya ke Jingjia, kabalaja Khanduli. Yakni lai thu du DGP ke jela ULR Bishnoi. U DGP ulaong bagi rang basnong nambaro arliang ru, kila ya don lang hakate ke jengalang, bat kila kular bagin penya yak syong suk syong san. Bat lada don kam, bandang syong jengalang biang ru, kindang Ïakynduh nang ni syakmat.
Khanduli, there is no fresh incident. In fact, today both DC and SP of West Jaintia Hill and the Hamren districts, they met with each other. It was a good meeting. They have invited the village headmen from both sides, many Khasi headmen and this side, the Panar villages headmen also attended the meeting, and they agreed to maintain peace and order. And after that, if need arises, we will go again and have meeting with the villagers to remove any kind of mistrust and misunderstanding.